Hello everyone. This is my Facebook Marketplace video and showing you the Perini Noodle Hot Pot. Apparently it's for Asian fusion cooking. It's a genuine cast iron cooking pot with a wood cover. That's pretty good, I guess. The wooden trivet protects tables and countertops. The trivet. I've never heard of this word in my life, but they could advertise it. It's pretty good. It's suitable for gas and electric cooktops. Okay, that's great. I don't know how to cook. I think I've heated up a bunch of stuff. That's fine. And a convenient carry handle. You need that shit. And it's a 2-liter cast iron. Yeah, the Noodle Hot Pot. Good for the family, good for the wife. Ladies love a good noodle, a good hot noodle, I'm told. It cooks sukiyaki, nabe, and more. I mean, I've never had any of that stuff. Buy my stuff. Yeah, it does all that stuff. Apparently it's 7.5 by 3. That's great. You should buy it because I'm certainly never going to use this thing because I don't know how to cook.